Hello and welcome. I'm back at Costco checking out the latest deals they have going on for this later part of August. I'm going to show you the top deals that I find, and I'm going to start off here with the Dyson vacuum. It is the Animal 3 Plus with the ball. It does have a nice cleaning head there, and also comes with cleaning accessories. Also comes with a 5-year warranty. They do have it on sale for $279.99. That is saving $70 off the $350 price. That's good until September 5th. Excellent deal there. And here's another Dyson product. It's a Purifier Cool purifying fan with a HEPA H13 filter. It does have an activated carbon filtration. It is a pretty large fan that's elongated. You can also control it through an app. And they have this Dyson Purifier Cool with the manufacturer's instant rebate of $100. So it's only $299. It was $400 there. And you do have until August 31st for that deal. And they have this Galaxy Tab S10 FE. It has like a little mini keyboard, which would make it nice to be able to do emails and type, and then also comes with a pen as well. The screen size is 10.9 inches. They have the deal price at $429.99. That is saving $70 off the $499 price. You do have until September 7th for that deal. It does seem to be at least one of the times of year to maximize savings on laptops if you're in the market, especially for back to school. They have this HP 16-inch OmniBook 5 with 1 terabyte of storage, as well as 32 gigabyte of memory. They have that where you're saving $200, so its price is only $799. Again, you only have until the 24th of this month, so just a few days left. And they do have limited time deals on the Apple Watches, so if you're in the market, for example, they have the 49mm black titanium one, Black Ocean as they call it. You can save $130, so it's only $649, but you do only have until the 23rd for that deal. But it's a great savings, $130 there. And you can also save $130 on the blue loop one, this is what it looks like. And you can save $90 on the 46mm GPS edition. It's the Apple Watch Series 10. Save $90 there for $329. Another version here with the Sport Loop for also $329. These two deals here you have until the 24th, and you can save $90 on the 42mm GPS with the blush band, saving $90, so it's only $299. And here's what it looks like. Then they have the Rose Gold Plum Loop, 42mm, also saving $90 for $299. You do also have until the 24th for those deals. And if you're in the market for a new MacBook, they have some on sale. They have this one, for example, the MacBook Pro 16-inch. It's the M4 Pro, 24 gigabyte and 512 gigabyte space in space black. That's priced only $2249. That's saving $200. You do have only until the 24th for that deal. Or you could save $250 on the MacBook Pro 14-inch one with a 24 gigabyte and 512 gigabyte hard drive. Again, that one's only $1699. That's saving $250. You have until the 24th for that one as well. But you can check online on their website where they do have other models available, also at a discount. But it's good only until the 24th as well. And you can save $200 on this Lenovo Slim 7i 14-inch IdeaPad laptop. It has 32 gigabyte memory and as well as a 1 terabyte of storage. It is a price of only $999, saving $200. You do have only till August 24th for this deal. They have this Frigidaire Gallery. It is a 10 cubic foot upright freezer. Oh, it's actually a 2-in-1, whether you can use it as a freezer or refrigerator. So you have options there. And it is garage ready. Has a nice sleek design. Has 5 shelves, pretty nice. And then there you can adjust the setting, whether you want it to be a refrigerator or a deep freeze or regular freezer. And they're running a sale on it now. It's only $299. That's saving $100. You do have until September 2nd for that deal. And now is the time to pick up a robot vacuum if you don't have one already. And if you're looking for one, they have this Shark Matrix Plus. It is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop robot. It self-empties and it has a HEPA base where it captures the dirt and debris. It says it has the Matrix Clean, no spots missed, clean edge, up to 50% better edge cleaning, precision mapping and object detect, so it'll go around different objects by using the 360-degree LiDAR vision. It has a true HEPA bagless self-emptying system where it basically goes into the little canister, which is this guy right here. So it holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris. It also has powerful pet hair pickup. It's self-cleaning brush roll. And you can customize your clean with the Shark Clean app. So definitely, it's all high tech. It does come with refills to do the different moppings with it. It works with Alexa and Google apps as well. So they do have a great price on it at only $299.99. That's saving $100 off of the $400 price. That's with the manufacturer's instant rebate, and you do have until September 1st for that deal. The next deal they have is the Blackstone 36-inch gas griddle with a hinged hood and cover. It is 4 burners, has a nice cover, which many Blackstones don't include the cover itself. It also has a grilling tool holder and tray. They do have this now with an awesome price at only $370. That is saving $80 off of the $450 normal price with the manufacturer's instant rebate. And you do have only until August 24th for that deal. So excellent time to pick up a Blackstone. Well, if you happen to watch my previous Costco video where I featured this Harvest Right Home Pro freeze dryer, it didn't take them long to put it on sale. It is a 4-rack small freeze dryer system. That's what it looks like. I mentioned it looked like a small washing machine. So you do different freeze dry of different foods. And they say it creates like a shelf life of up to 25 years. Right now you can save $300, so it is priced at $1,299 off of the $1,600 original price. And you do have until September 2nd for that deal. So great opportunity if you're in the market to do some freeze drying of food to save $300 there. The next deal is this 10-piece Henkel's knife set. Fine edge forged, ultra durable German steel, ergonomic and balanced, certified knife block. It is dishwasher safe as well, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. They're running a deal on it right now where you're saving $20 off the $110 price, so it's only $90 there, and it is good until August 25th with the manufacturer's instant rebate. Good time to pick up a good knife set. They have a great deal on this Hodo 40-piece household tool kit. It's the essential home repair tools all in one box. So it has an assortment of quite a variety of different tools, such as a claw hammer, electric screwdriver that is rechargeable, an adjustable spanner wrench, needle nose pliers. Also has a hex key set, a measuring tape, extension rod. Well, I call extension rod for the bit extension holder. Also has a universal flex shaft to hold the different bits as well. It does come with other 1-inch S2 steel bits, so it's like screw and Torx. Looks like a couple square ones as well. So pretty good assortment there, all in one little package that comes in this container here. So they do have it with the manufacturer's instant rebate of $10, so it's only $30 off of the $40. It does have the clearance star in the upper right corner. This price is good until August 31st. So I think it's a good pickup, especially for homeowners or even for students in the dorm, just to have a basic little toolkit to do simple tasks. Oh, and also includes a utility knife as well. So neat little toolkit here for only $30. And if you're in need of a new home security camera system, they have this one by Blink. It is a whole home bundle, version 4. So it comes with the Blink Outdoor 4 cameras. So it has these 3, as well as a video doorbell, which has a 150-degree head-to-toe HD live view. And then as well as the Blink Mini Pan and Tilt camera. So a good assortment of different cameras there. They do say you can get up to 2 years of powerful battery life and coverage with the batteries that are in there. They do have it priced at only $160. That's saving $110 off their normal $270 price tag. That is good until September 2nd with the manufacturer's instant rebate. So that's a pretty good deal right there. And it says it goes up to 400 feet from your home. Get extended range from Outdoor 4 with the included Sync Module XR. That's your property completely covered, they mentioned. So 400 feet is a pretty good range. And for it to also include a video doorbell for that price, I mean, 160 bucks, that's just awesome savings right there. And with the Blink app, you can see and speak to people and pets from your phone, plus save and store clips with the Blink subscription plan. And they're running an excellent deal on the Govee RGBIC Pro LED strip lights. It is 49 feet of LED lights that are color changing. It has different lighting effects. Also has 64 preset scene modes, as well as voice control and music mode. So you can highlight areas of a room. You can pair it up with the music sync modes where it'll flash according to the music that's being played. And it also can be controlled through an app as well. So very cool lighting there by Govee. Govee is a huge brand as far as offering LED lighting solutions for different LED decorations. So they have this right now with a manufacturer's instant rebate of $20. So it's only $30 for the 49 feet. So it's normally $50, and it does have a clearance star on it. And you do only have until August 25th for this pricing. It's an excellent deal if you need some LED lights. All right, if you're enjoying this video so far, I would appreciate if you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos. Well, if you're anything like me, always constantly battling flies and gnats and fruit flies in the house, they have this solution here by Zevo Flying Insect Trap. It's a 24/7 continuous catch. You plug it into a wall outlet, and it captures the annoying little pests. They do have a great deal on it right now. So you're saving $8 off of the $40 price, so it's only 32 bucks. You do have until September 21st for that deal. It does come with 2 devices and 6 refills for that. It permanently traps houseflies, fruit flies, gnats, and more. It also attracts them with the blue and UV light. Pretty decent kit there. Definitely worth a pickup, saving $8 on that pack. And they do have a deal on this Stanley Junior. It is a wagon and garden tool set. It does come with different garden tools, a little bucket, and then the little Stanley Junior wagon. It's actually a dump cart as well. So it's rated for ages 5 and up. So it's a nice little dump cart. Get them little kids used to doing some gardening work. So this is actually a great deal price right now at only $13.97. It is on a clearance star. So I imagine this might be the lowest they'll go. This is the last one they have in stock at this store, but maybe check your store, see what they have. So it's an excellent deal there, only 14 bucks. And they're running a great deal on the Coast 3-pack of the headlamps. They're rated at 1,000 lumens. They do have 8 different modes, and they are rechargeable. So it does come with 3 rechargeable batteries, 3 USB-C charging cables, as well as 9 AAA batteries. So you could power it by battery or rechargeable battery. They are rated with an IPX7 waterproof rating, and they have the different modes of pure beam, bullseye, flood and spotlight, arc, which is 180 degree, and it has a red light and a green light as well. So they're running a great deal on them right now at only $24.99. That's saving $5 off the $30 price normally at with the manufacturer's instant rebate. That is good until August 31st for that deal. So awesome deal at 25 bucks for 3 headlamps like that. And they're running a great deal on the Kohler kitchen sink and faucet combination. Right now they have it saving 100 bucks. So it's only $300 right there. Normally it's $400, and that's good until the 24th of the month. It does have a dual mount option, whether it's you do it under mount or above countertop mount. So the faucet itself is nice and modern. It does come with a drying rack. The sink is rated at 18 gauge premium stainless steel. It has a 2-function spray head for the faucet. The faucet alone is probably actually worth 300 bucks, especially if you go to one of the big box hardware stores. But to get this whole setup, including the cutting board and the drying mat, that's like a no-brainer for 300 bucks. Excellent deal right there. And you do only have a few days until the 24th though. All right, these are the best deals I could find for this time of August. So be sure to like and subscribe to this video, and that way you're notified of more deal videos as I release them. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day.